Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Hashim Ali, and I'm here to teach you a subject that is ICT Introduction to Computers. I'm an assistant professor at Abdul Wali Khan University, Mardan. Let's go deep inside the contents and we'll look around the what are the computers and how they are helpful. So, introducing the computer systems. This is chapter number one, and this is lecture number 1A. By definition perspective, we can define computer as an electronic device which is helpful to convert data into information. Modern computers which are used nowadays are digital computers as they are only understand a language of 0 and 1, which we call as a binary language. And this binary language is actually understood by the computers. The older version of the computers were analog computers. They only could understand the various range of values, which was eventually making the data. So modern day computers are using the digital form of data, while as the older computers were using the analog form of the data. So modern computers are using the binary version, and the older one were using the range of values that was in the form of analog values. Computers for individual use. So we have got different sort of computers, starting with desktop computer, which is the most common type of computer used nowadays. Sits on the desk or floor as we have got the computers at our homes. They are the desktop computer and they are used to perform a variety of tasks. As similar to the desktop computer, a bit more powerful computer that is a workstation. It is a much more specialized computer and it is optimized for size and graphical work, more powerful than a desktop computer. So we call it as a workstation computer. First one is the desktop computer, then we have got the workstation. Then the third form of the computer, which is nowadays very much common, that is the notebook computer, which we call as the laptops. They are the small portable computers. Normally it weigh between 3 to 8 pounds, depending on the size, like starting from 8.5 inches. Nowadays, we have got 11, more than 11 inches size of the laptop. Typically, it is as much powerful as the desktop computer. It can include different variants of the gaming stations, like, for example, the docket station. So, this is the third form of the computer, that is notebook computers, which are used for the individual purpose. Then we have got the another form of the computer, that is the tablet. Newest development in portable computer. Normally tablets are used with the input being provided by the pen, and this utilize the specialized form of the office product, small purpose computers. So we call it as tablet computers. Then we have got the handheld computers, which we can handle means we can carry it in our hands. Very small computers, normally we call them as personal digital assistants, and they are only used for taking and content management. Later on, which can be synchronized with a desktop computer to transfer information from handheld computers to the main computers in the form of desktop. Then we have got the smartphones. They are the hybrid combination of the cell phone along with the PDS. So they included a web surfing and email access, etc., along with the storage of the context management or note taking. Then we have got computers for the organization, and the first computers that are used within the organization are the network servers. Centralized computer, which provides centralized means a computer is placed as the center, and other computers are connected through different medium that can be wireless medium, that can be wired medium. So centralized computers are used and computers connect with each other, and this centralized computer provide access to the network resources. For example, we have got the internet resource or we have got the printer resource. Multiple servers within the organization, if they are available, so we call it as a server form. Often it is as powerful as the desktop computer as they are providing us the specialized services. So we call it as a network server or simply a server which provides services to other computers like print services, like internet services, etc., etc. Then we have got another form of the computers for organization, that is mainframe computers, normally used in large organization, handle thousands of users, and normally access is through the terminal. If you have visited the Nadra office, so you would have seen the terminal device without a processing machine or CPU involved with it. So they are connected to mainframe or mini computers. So Nadra is an organization. It handles the thousands of users. So the computer used behind that terminal is actually a mainframe computer. Like mainframe computer, we have got the mini computers, which lies in between the mainframe computer and the desktop computer. The only difference is mainframe computers handle thousands of users, whereas mini computers handle hundreds of users. Normally used in smaller organizations, and user access is through again terminal. Then we have got the fastest machine available, that is the supercomputers for organization. Normally they are used in research organization, handle large and complex calculations like NASA organization, which they are sending the satellite to the space. So they are using the supercomputers so they can handle the large and complex calculation. And normally it processes trillions of operations per second. Then the impact of the computer in the society. So as we know, everything is now computerized, from your online transaction to the cash withdrawal to the access of your home through smart technologies like ACs, like your automatic machines. So more impact than any other invention in terms of usage of the computer. It has changed the work and leisure activities, and normally it is used by all demographic groups. Demographic group means all the people are different type of people living in different conditions, are using in one way or the other way. The computers are being used by them. Computers are also important because it provides information, lots of information through to user. The simplest form of information given to us is the use of the Google. Nowadays we are using the Chat GPT. These all are providing us the information, and this is because of the involvement of the computer. Our information is critical to our society because with this information we can gain different sort of knowledge, and that knowledge can be helpful in designing or decision making. Managing information earlier was difficult, but with the involvement of the computers, this management of the information has become easier. Again, computers at home, they can be used for business purposes, home businesses or other small businesses, entertainment purposes, communication and education purpose. Like we have got this learning session, online learning session. So computers are used in education. Communication, the simplest form of the communication via computer is your WhatsApp, internet, entertainment, Facebook, etc., TikTok, etc. Businesses like your point of sale software used at the retail shop or the mega marts, etc. Computers in education are playing a vital role at all levels, starting from your early years of education to the later of years of the education. Computers are playing the vital role, and they are also used in the businesses. Small businesses allows user to manage their data, allow users to help them to calculate bills, to manage storage, information